I'm just gonna go to the room, okay? Gonna show you a new game I got. What the heck? Why is all this setup here? What? What is? What? Just It's like a big whistle, I guess. Oh. You get cut. Wait, I'm gonna let it focus. What? Did you see that old cat from one episode? Oh gosh, this is the Colton spirit. Oh my, no. Okay, this is creepy. But yeah, that just sounds creepy. Setup. Oh.